Assalamualaikum friends, here is font bundle. Here one folder of modern font, and here is a new, but these are protected password in this app. I know for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, and last join my Telegram channel Sheri Official. I will provide every notification of video or data here. Okay, here is 20 file preview, italic, OTF and TTF. Amazing. Builder, regular, and here is 45 like a signature, and here is a grid scratch. Oh, okay. Lino girl. Amazing. The quick brown fox jumps. Okay, nice font. You can install in Android phone or Windows Smart Child. I hope these fonts are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.